All lawyers are in the business of trust, but especially in divorce and family law, where the intimate details of your personal life may need to be communicated to the attorney and sometimes even come out in court. It's exceptionally important that each client understand that we have a duty of confidentiality and that the client's information that they provide to us is confidential on a need-to-know basis only, and we only disclose to the court what's required. We are under a duty of confidentiality. We take that seriously, and our attorneys would never talk about any confidential information with anyone else.
So walking in was very nervous. I was scared. This whole process was, before going into it, was very scary. And when I met Will, just the calming demeanor made me feel like, okay, you know what, he's got this. And I was able to open up. He was able to explain step by step and how he would handle it. And there wasn't a lot of pressure on me. He was going to be there by my side, and it was very comforting.
These are situations where, we're talking about your intimate financial situation with regard to the marriage, talking about matters regarding your children, things that maybe you've only shared with your spouse before. And these are things that you've got to be able to tell your attorney, and if that trust isn't there, it's going to be a lot more difficult for us to do our job.
For us, it's extremely important and vital that there's a good personal relationship, because it's a really, really personal process. We're talking about all the things that matter most in your life. We're talking about your kids, the assets you've worked oftentimes your whole life acquiring, and oftentimes stuff that's more than just property. It's your family home, it's heirlooms, it's things that really do matter most.
Just to have that trust between the attorney and the client going forward in presenting their case in the best way possible, or settling and getting the best outcomes, I think is going to be very important, who you're teamed up with from the beginning.
I was really apprehensive. In the beginning I had no idea what to expect. Never dealt with lawyers or anything like that. By the time we were done, I felt like there's pretty much nothing that I couldn't say to Ashley or ask her in complete, confidentiality and being comfortable doing so.
From the moment I met Bridget, it was very easy to trust her. Again, just a very professional attorney that makes you feel comfortable. And yeah, the trust was from the moment I met her and the first initial handshake.